Good morning. Here is another video again. This video is how to free up your iCloud storage. So like if you don't have any more space in your iCloud, so like I'm gonna show you how to clean it. Let's go to setting again, and then we're gonna scroll down to iCloud, and then we're gonna click on storage, and then click on management storage. So these are the devices that I have. So I'm gonna clean the CTEC. No, let's check it. So let's do the shitness iPad. So this iPad I'm gonna delete it. So I need some more space. So I delete this backup on iCloud. And then right now I have 3.3 gigabyte available. So let's click on the iPhone. On the iPhone, if I have some apps that I don't want anymore, oops. All right. This is the page which is I don't really use. I'm just gonna delete it also. And then if you have some apps that you don't use at all, I mean you could delete them from the iCloud and stuff. Thanks for watching, and thanks one more time.